knowing what to do. It was high waves, 40, 50 meters, and everything happened in 1 minute.
There's we saw the gush of water all the way, dirty mud, rising all the way four-story high. We ran for our life. We ran 500 steps all the way up the mountain to be safe.
Did you hear something before you saw the mudslide? What was it? Please explain.
Like water falling, it felt like a boulder falling down. Like when a boulder hits water, what happens? That's what it was. A big rock. When it hits water, what happens? It pumps a hole in. So we were thinking it's earthquake. Right, but we still don't know, because I was also told that this is more like a glacier burst. That's what I think the army folks told us. So we have to go with what they say. So I don't know.